Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, let's switch to the video one. Tap on the video, and if you can see the red color, red dot actually, inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar at the top. Unfortunately, we've got the resolution right here. So let's tap on this option. And right now we've got 1080p. After tapping on it, we can set 720p. Let me tap on it again. We've got also the option 4K and again 1080p. So we've got three different options. We've got 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. You can also change it. However, it depends on the specific resolution. Let me enter the settings to check whether we've got this option right here. If you're not the biggest fan of changing this option here, you can enter the settings and tap on video resolution. So here you can choose it. As you can see, we've got two different options, 1080p with different ratios, 16:9 and 21:9. So here, all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately applied, and from now on your device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.